Take command of the road in the 2009 Toyota Tacoma. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.